Hey everyone, JKD Sifu Mike Goldberg, Fort Worth, Texas, visiting my friend JKD Sifu Raymond Bray in Haltom City. Tonight, what we're going to do is a Filipino move from Kali, Pikita Tertia particularly, by Grandmaster Leo T. Gaje, that he taught me back in 1980 in Houston. It's called Gunting in Tagalog, which means scissor motion, just like this motion, like a scissor. What I'm going to do is take this part of my hand, this knuckle, and I'm going to strike Ray right here in the bicep. Hence, that's why Ray is padded up, and you want your students to be padded up too, because safety is important. Ray's going to be throwing a lead straight strike, and then I'm going to do the gunting, and then I'm coming back with a backhanded motion. Let's see what happens. All right. And get out of there. We'll do it slow this time. Scissor motion, striking here, zoning out, coming with some type of backhanded motion. Could be a hack, could be a chop, could be even a nice little palm strike to the ear. And then just send him on his way and you go home. I hope you enjoyed this short and unique technique called the gunting. Ray and Mike, right here, we just want you all to have a great night. Remember, be aware, be safe. This is JKD Sifu Mike Goldberg and JKD Sifu Raymond Bray saying bye.